You have entered beautiful 546 Flores, unit number 3, just a block and a half south of Melrose, very close to Melrose Place and that farmer's market that's so famous in beautiful West Hollywood, California. This 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment has it all, including this private, yes, I'll say that again, a private back patio. It's almost the entire width of the property. It's really quite amazing. And it does face east, so you get morning and afternoon sun. The kitchen, also very recently redone, and the view from the kitchen sink is of the patio as well. It does have a pantry, lots of closet space. The building itself has laundry in the building. It does come with one reserve car spot, and it's just a very lovely unit in a wonderful walking neighborhood. Please enjoy the rest of the tour. If you have any questions or if you want to book your in-person tour, please call or text. Thanks and enjoy the tour.